Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Houthi rebels have reportedly freed 6 foreign hostages who they'd been holding in the capital Sanaa. This follows Saudi coalition airstrikes there on Sunday. The attacks on military targets were some of the heaviest since the coalition of Gulf states launched its operation against Iran-backed Houthis in late March. In recent weeks, the attacks have increased as the coalition prepares to recapture the capital. They're trying to reinstate the government of exiled President Rabbuh Mansour Hadi. The Houthis seized Sanaa a year ago. Hundreds of refugees are waiting at the border to cross into Slovenia. Some have been waiting since Friday. Over the past 4 days, 20,000 people crossed into the country to head towards Western Europe. Over the weekend, Croatia sent at least 15,000 asylum seekers to Hungary. Those people were then sent to Austria. Meanwhile, the foreign ministers of several Eastern European countries and the head of the European Council are scheduled to discuss the border crisis in Luxembourg on Monday. Pope Francis has met former Cuban President Fidel Castro as part of his visit to Havana. A Vatican spokesman said they discussed religion and world affairs during their 40-minute meeting. Earlier on Sunday, 300,000 people attended a mass that the Pope led. He is scheduled to go to the US next week. He's expected to meet President Barack Obama and address Congress and the UN. Hackers have attacked Apple Inc.'s App Store in China with malware. The companies say that the hackers got app developers to use counterfeit software that was embedded with malicious code called Xcode Ghost. The program gives the hackers access to users' data. An Apple spokeswoman says the affected apps have since been removed. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.